Everyone keeps saying this is the most beautiful new mall in Davao City. So today we're putting that claim to the test. Is it really worth visiting or just another mall? Let's find out.
It makes me wonder as I look.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Forever Weekend. So for today's video, naata diri karon sa bagong open na mall diri sa Davao City. Ug mauni ang The Paragon Lifestyle Mall. Tara, kuyugi ko ninyo atong subayon ug unsay naa diri sa sulod. Let's go!
Is it wishful thinking, this feeling, trying to figure this out? Is it wishful thinking? Is it wishful thinking?
Welcome to the Paragon Lifestyle Mall, one of the newest lifestyle destinations in the city. Located in Mcarthur Highway, Matina, Davao City, it is part of the larger Paragon Davao mixed-use complex, combining a lifestyle mall, residential towers, a hotel, and a convention center, making it one of the city's newest premier destinations for shopping, dining, leisure, and business. From the outside pa lang makita na nimo nga lahi gyud siya. The architecture is sleek and modern, with huge glass windows, clean lines, and a premium-looking facade. Instead of feeling like a typical shopping mall, it gives you the vibe of a modern lifestyle hub. Pag-abot sa entrance, ma-feel dayon nimo ang ka-spacious sa place. Bright kaayo ang sulod because of the natural light coming through the glass walls. The high ceilings, wide walkways, and a minimalist interiors make the whole mall feel open, clean, and relaxing. As you explore the mall, you'll find a growing mix of retail stores, lifestyle brands, and everyday essentials. Since it's still expanding, expect even more shops to open in the coming months. Need to grab a few groceries? They also have Robinson's Easy Mart, making it convenient if you just need your daily essentials or a few quick items before heading home. You'll also find the market, a space that showcases local finds, from locally made products and specialty items to unique pasalubong and handcrafted goods. It's a nice stop if you want to support local businesses or bring home something uniquely Davao. Food lover ka, daghan kag mapilian. Whether you're looking for a quick coffee, a casual lunch, or a nice dinner with family and friends, there are plenty of dining options to choose from. Kung naabot gyud ka hangtod diri nga part, thank you so much for watching. O kung gusto nimo magpa-shoutout sa akong next vlog, comment down below ang imong pangalan ug kung taga-asa ka. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa tanan na kong adventures. So, let's continue! Kay gigutom naman kog sigig explore sa mall, I decided to try one of their food spots sa the market. Nakita ko og sushi nga affordable sa The Top 1 Sushi. 35 pesos lang. For the price, sulit na siya. Cause legit nga lami. Especially kung gusto ka og quick snack while walking around, sa kalami nag-take out gid ko. And of course, after that, coffee is a must. The juice could be perfect kaayo. Mag-pause for a while, enjoy a cup of coffee, and just appreciate the vibe of the place. One thing I really like about the Paragon is that it doesn't feel crowded. It's the kind of place where you can slow down, enjoy a coffee, window shop, or simply spend time with family and friends without feeling rushed. So is it really the most beautiful new mall in Davao? I'd say it's more than just a shopping mall. It's a fresh and modern space where shopping, dining, and leisure come together. Whether you're here to eat, shop, buy groceries, discover local products, or simply enjoy the atmosphere, the Paragon Lifestyle Mall is definitely worth adding to your list. Now, it's your turn. Would you visit the Paragon Lifestyle Mall? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more travel and lifestyle discoveries around Davao. Thank you for watching.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for spending time with me here at Forever Weekend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you on the next vlog. Bye!